Hello everyone, PJ here from TacBotz. Let's go ahead and connect Bybit to the platform for automated trading. To get started, let's head over to the platform itself, right? And from here, settings. Once we are in settings, we head over to exchange setup. From exchange setup, add exchange. Once we add the exchange, we will select Bybit, hit continue, name it whatever you want. I'll do demo test for now, and we'll head over to Bybit profile. From profile API, clicking too fast, but profile, then API. Once we are in the API page, we'll go ahead and create a new key. System generated API keys. And now we'll name it whatever we want. I'll do demo test. Read and write, IP restrictions, and we'll head over to TacBotz, copy the IP address. Just click on it to copy, and then right click, paste. The permissions that you need is standard accounts and assets, account transfer, sub account. We don't really need that. We just need the standard account permission to allow the order, position, and copy trading. So once you select the standard account, just hit submit. And if you have two-factor enabled, it'll ask you to enter those information in. So let me go ahead and enter the temporary code for my email, and now my Google Authenticator code. And now you have your API key. It's only for the demo account, and I will delete it after this, so the secret key don't matter. So copy, paste it in the TacBotz platform. Now we need to copy the secret key, paste it in the TacBotz secret platform. If you are doing testnet for paper trading, make sure you hit the use testnet. And if you are doing contract, to select contract, or spot to select spot, depending on your trading style. So for me, I'll leave it on the live account, and for a contract, so I can use leverage. And from there, just hit next. The platform will go over everything to make sure that it can connect to the account, see the symbol, see your balance, and once it's done, it will tell you you are ready to go, and that is pretty much it. Thank you.